Hi, good morning. This is the video for geometry how-to for Desmos 5 screenshots of the 5 special pairs of angles when two lines are cut by a transversal, two parallel lines. So go to Google and type in Desmos geometry. And then you have to go to Geometry Tool Desmos. And then you have to sign up with Google or log in. And then it should say your name right there. Okay? And then you're going to make a new construction. And then you're going to title it. And the first one will be, I'm not going to do one for you, but we can say vertical angles. Okay? So I'm going to do vertical angles on the two lines cut by a transversal. All right. So here's a line. You're going to take a line here. You're going to put another point here. It doesn't matter too much. And then you're going to go to Tools, and then you will be going down to Parallel Line. And then you want to choose a line to set the slope. And I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to choose a parallel line. See how the parallel line lines up there? I'm done. Now I'm going to choose another line. And that will be my transversal. Now, what I'm going to do is just any vertical angle is okay. Now, your task will be to do corresponding angles. Same side interior angles. Same side exterior angles. Okay, you can choose any part, but you will now measure the angle and show that vertical angles are congruent. Now, like I said, you're not doing vertical angles. So I'm going to do vertical angle, and I'm going to try to get these two angles. So in order to get that, you have to press angle. And then for this vertical angle, I'm going to choose this point, and then it should connect with this point, and then with this point. Now the measure of that angle is 53 degrees. Okay? Now I'm going to get the measure of this angle. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that vertical angles are congruent and that I titled it vertical angles, and my name is up here. So now I'm going to do a screenshot, and I think mine is, I got to make sure because I haven't print screen really. So I do something a little different, but I do snippet tool, but if I do function print screen, and then it looks like if I did from here, oops. I got to try this again here. I'll do function print screen. Looks like I get a little something there. And then I think if I drag it, that's my print screen. So I want your name in there. Okay. Now save as. You want to save as displaying dialog or whatever you want to save it as. So I'm going to go to save as. And then it's a file there. So wherever your print screen file or your screenshot goes, that's what you got to do. And then you save it, vertical angles, and it's saved. Okay? So then you submit that screenshot of the 5 pairs. Corresponding angles, same side interior angles, alternate interior angles, same side exterior angles, and corresponding angles. I think that's Did I say them all? Corresponding angles, alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, same side exterior. 5 pairs. Okay? So we'll get 5 screenshots in that assignment submission. All right? And you go from there. Have a good day. I think that'll do it.